Today is day 11 for my Bonne Maman advent calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 11.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
Here's door number 11. It's in the middle on the right-hand side. And this says stuff the stockings. And we have pineapple yuzu spread. And this sounds very familiar to me. Have I had this before? This was the first mini jar of fruit spread that I could not get open. Like, it's open now, but it would not open. I tried like a jar opener, could not get it open. Then I ran it under hot water, could not get it open. Finally, I had to turn it upside down and like bang it on the counter, and then it opened. But I've never had that issue with any previous fruit spread. They've all been really easy to open. So I have had this before. In 2022, I made an almond flour gingerbread cake with this. So I'm just gonna taste a little bit and refresh my memory. Yeah, this is absolutely delicious. It reminds me of a pineapple upside down cake. Today I want to make a coconut milk rice pudding in my Dash mini rice cooker. I think that will go really well with the pineapple fruit spread. I'm using half a cup of white rice, which I've rinsed. I'm adding half a cup of water. I'm adding 6 ounces of coconut milk. I'm using the Goya coconut milk. I don't like to use coconut milks that have gums in them to thicken them, so I'm using the Goya coconut milk. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of sugar and about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a little pinch of salt. Raisins are optional. If I was going to add raisins, I would add about a 1/4 cup of raisins. So I'm just going to put the lid on, and I just plugged it in, and let's set it to cook. And I'll check on this in 30 minutes. It's 22 minutes later, and I don't know if you could see this, but there's some liquid coming out of this little steam hole. So I feel like we're pretty close to boiling over here. Let's open this up. That's what's going on inside. I want to give this a stir and see what's going on here. It smells, this smells really good. Now, because it is a rice pudding, the rice is going to really cook down and get soft. So it's not like making regular white rice. I'm going to let that continue to cook. It's been a half hour now. This smells amazing. And the rice cooker turned itself onto warm, so it should be done. Let's open this up, see what's going on in here. This looks really good, nice and thick. Is it going to be stuck to the bottom? That is an issue. Yeah, it is a little bit stuck to the bottom. But that's okay. I'm going to use my little Christmas bowl. Here's the rice pudding. Let's taste this. See how it tastes. That is really good. It's sweet and it's creamy and it has a hint of coconut. Absolutely delicious. Normally when I eat rice pudding, I like to sprinkle some cinnamon on top of it, maybe even put some whipped cream or some maple syrup, maybe some honey. But today I am using this pineapple yuzu spread. So let's see how this is. Grabbing a little spoonful of that. And these are little demitasse spoons and they work perfectly with these little fruit spread jars. Okay, now let's give this a try with some of the pineapple on it. That is crazy good. That is so good. The pineapple goes so well with the coconut and the rice pudding. It's just really good. Once again, this delicious fruit spread just totally elevates the rice pudding to a whole new level. I am definitely going to enjoy this. And so that's how you can make rice pudding in a Dash mini rice cooker. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below if you'd like to see what else we can make with this Bonne Maman advent calendar. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season.